kid was a small kid. He said, Coach, you think my size is going to be a problem? I said, you ever hear a guy named Mosey Bogues? He's too young. He had no idea.
What's up with you, bro? What's up, bro?
Let's get it back. Let's go, hey!
Quickly to Barrett. Barrett's
Hey, great pass, great cut. Great cut, great pass.
Bembry with great hustle. Griffin as well getting on the floor, giving it off for the slam by Edwards.
Hey! Hell yeah! Hell yeah!
Let's go, let's go. Let's get out of run.
Almost the same move we saw in the first quarter. That's a big time.
Now, it's only a one. We weathered that right now. We just got to be mindful to take care of the ball a little better, okay?
Be smart, because if he can't get by you, he gonna search for your hands every time, you know what I mean? So just play without your hands.
Okay, great quarter offensively. You got 13 assists already. Ball's moving. You guys are shooting it confidently.
Round another. That's a third steal by Iguodala. What a pass! And Lee backs it home the other way.
Keep playing the right way. Keep sharing it. Be in attack mode. Aggressive. Let's go.
Oh, my goodness. Beautiful jam inside by Giannis.